welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Let's go see if those bunnies escaped.
So 2 days ago I put in some nesting boxes for the bunnies, and I'll be honest, yesterday I came out and they had escaped, and Quinn had even escaped the yard. In defense, it was super windy yesterday, and you may hear it's super windy today as well. But look at where these good bunnies are. Did you not escape? So yesterday I came out and they were laying in the yard, and I'll show you where they got out. Right under here, where I have that brick shoved in and now I have a board on top, there was a hole, and I just hadn't looked good enough and just didn't see it, but it was clearly big enough for a rabbit to get out. I'm sorry, girlies, nobody's having a yard day today because the wind is too strong and it keeps knocking down the fence. I know, I'll get your bunny breakfast in a minute. There are some things I need to do before it starts raining tonight, which would involve like securing some hutches and making sure that food is out of the weather. And so I guess I'll get on that. Just wanted to give you a short update today. That's all I have to say.